Women. Lately, I've seen so many videos on social media making sarcastic remarks about women, often paired with a coffee cup and mocking taglines. But let's remember the truth: God created women as companions for men, beautifully designed with maturity, intelligence, courage, and so much more. A woman stood up for all of Israel during their time of struggle and led them to victory. Who and how? It's Deborah. Because God was with her every step of the way. He gave her courage, boldness, strength, and wisdom to face the challenges before her. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for more updates. When the Israelites sinned against God, he let Zabin, the king of Canaan, rule over them. Zabin's army commander, Sisera, had 900 iron chariots and treated the Israelites cruelly for 20 years. In their misery, the Israelites cried out to God for help. At that time, Deborah, a prophetess and wife of Lapidoth, was leading Israel. She held court under a palm tree between Ramah and Bethel in the hill country of Ephraim, where people came to her for guidance. One day, Deborah summoned Barak, son of Abinoam, from Kedesh in Naphtali. She told him, "The Lord, the God of Israel, commands you to take 10,000 men from the tribes of Naphtali and Zebulun and go to Mount Tabor. God will bring Sisera, Zabin's commander, and his army to the Kishon River and give you victory." Barak said, "I will go if you go with me, but if you won't go, I won't go either." Deborah agreed, but told him, "Because of this, you won't get the honor for the victory. Instead, the Lord will hand Sisera over to a woman." So Deborah went with Barak to Kadesh. Barak gathered 10,000 men from the tribes of Zebulun and Naphtali, and Deborah accompanied him. When Sisera heard that Barak had gone to Mount Tabor, he gathered his 900 chariots and troops and marched to the Kishon River. Deborah said to Barak, "Go, today the Lord has given you victory over Sisera." Then Barak and his men charged down Mount Tabor, and the Lord caused confusion among Sisera's army. Sisera fled on foot, leaving his chariot. Barak and his men chased Sisera's army and destroyed them all. No one was left alive. Sisera ran to the tent of Zael, the wife of Heber the Kenite. Later, Zael killed Sisera. That day, God gave Israel victory over King Zabin of Canaan. From this, we see how God chose Deborah to deliver his command. Deborah didn't let fear stop her. She trusted God completely and faced the situation with courage and faith. And through her, God brought victory to Israel. Yes, it was a woman God used to bring victory to his people. This reminds us that God can use anyone at any time for his purpose.